This is hot spring. Guys, this is hot spring here in Chiang Rai, which is near Chiang Mai. Yan, hot spring. Yung nagbababad sila ng ng paa. Kita mo yun dito. Makikita mo talaga yung yung tubig. Boom. Nagaano pa oh. Makikita mo yung talagang init. Kaya yung iba dito linuluto yung mga itlog na pugo, itlog na hindi naman itlog na maalat eh. Pero yan, dyan nila binoboil yung egg.
You know where the view here, right on board. He's the local people. Here first, here we are the basket here. Here the bus room.
Ticket 100 baht. Okay, we're going to enter White Temple. Thank you. Wow.
Heaven daw to, guys.
At the side of the White Temple. Yeah. So the structure, ganda ng structure oh. Tataas natin yan para makita yung tuktok. Exit na to. Medyo mainit pero hindi pumipitik yung init sa balat. Nasa Belfry na tayo. Meron pala nandito Cave of Art. The structure. So far. Guys, so nandito na tayo ngayon sa Blue Temple. Ayan. Sa likod ko makikita ninyo yung pagoda. Ayan. Medyo mainit lang talaga. Then katabi ng pagoda yung chapel. Ayan. Yung natin chapel. We are now here sa Golden Triangle. The scene. Border ng Thailand, Laos, and Myanmar. So, katawid mo dito, nasa Laos ka na. Mekong River din pala ito. Kamukha nung nasa Ho Chi Minh at saka Cambodia. So parang interconnected to. Meron din ano dun, no? Buddha. Ito yung Lao. Yan na yung Lao side. Lao. Tapos, excuse me. Dito naman sa kabila, yun na yung Myanmar. Burma, Myanmar. Siyempre, kung nasaan tayo ngayon, this is Thailand. Ito yung symbol ng Golden Triangle para ma-determine na dun yung Myanmar, dito yung Lao, dito yung Thailand. Diba? And amazing. Golden Triangle.
In the river here, and after the king Lamanai, in the bridge built there, for the street, the country, Buddhist people coming here, pay the Buddha, pay the Nasi Buddha. Burma, they are the major coffee over on the island here. This year, about 200 years ago, 300 years ago. Okay, the next here, port station. Around here area, pick up anything we have to drop here. Cái này bên này. Cái này là trên này bên này Trung Quốc, 265公里到中国。From here, go to Chinese about 265 kilometers around in the Chinese. And then immigration. Are you see?